Hi, this is the CUBOT Quest and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So open first the Play Store application and then in the search bar enter the Ampere. Here we'll see this application, so now we should get this app, the Ampere app. That's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click to yes I agree, be close and tap to OK. And now we can see here information about my battery temperature, and that is the 25 degrees. And also you could find here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, hertz, where Android version and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.